In this module, we will discuss the topic adverse drug reaction, that is ADR. Adverse drug reaction refers to harm or injury caused by the administration of a medicinal product. Adverse drug reactions can occur following the administration of a single dose or as a result of long term administration of a medicine. They may also emerge from the use of combination products containing two or more pharmaceuticals. The ADR definition for pre-approval product in clinical experience says all noxious and unintended responses to a medicinal product related to any dose should be considered adverse drug reaction. This means that a causal relationship between a medicinal product and an adverse event is at least a reasonable possibility. That is, the relationship cannot be ruled out. For post approval products, the ADR definition is slightly different. It says a response to a drug which is noxious and unintended and which occurs at doses normally used in man for prophylaxis, diagnosis, or therapy of disease or for modification of physiological function. Hence, an adverse drug reaction is defined as an unintended and unpleasant reaction to a medication. And these reactions suggest that there is a causal connection between the medication and the adverse occurrence. It is possible for adverse drug reactions to occur either during clinical trials or after the medication has been released to the market. Here it is important to note that ADR and side effects are not the same. Even though ADR and side effects both are unintended responses to a medicine, side effects are expected and known effects of a drug, while ADR is unexpected and unknown effect produced by the administration of a medicinal product. Another point I want to highlight here is ADR is a subtype of adverse events. Let's understand this statement in brief. Adverse event is an event where the relationship between the administered drug to a patient and occurrence of an event or reaction is not certain, which means administered drug may or may not be the cause of adverse effect. On the other hand, in the case of ADR, the harm is caused by the drug and the relationship between the administered drug to a patient and occurrence of an event or reaction is certain. In this framework, adverse drug reaction is a subset of adverse event. Let's take the example of the drug thalidomide that received widespread attention for its negative side effects and which was crucial in shaping modern drug testing practices. The drug thalidomide was first developed by Kemi Grunenthal in Germany in 1954. The medication was first introduced to the public as a mild sedative in the late 1950s. Subsequently, it was discovered that the thalidomide may also be taken safely to treat nausea. As a result, medical practitioners started prescribing pregnant women thalidomide to treat their morning sickness symptoms. The drug, however, caused unexpected and serious damage to thousands of unborn babies around the globe. Pregnant women who used thalidomide during pregnancy gave birth to babies with birth defects including deafness, blindness, disfigurement, cleft palate, phocomelia, and others. It even resulted in numerous deaths. Babies affected by this disaster was called thalidomide babies. The whole damage was noticed in 1960s. The first time the link between the thalidomide and birth defects was made public was in a letter published in the Lancet from an Australian doctor, William McBride, in 1961. The drug was formally withdrawn by Kimi Grunenthal on 26 November 1961. Scientific investigations at a later time